The Free Wind Scientology ship lends itself to the Aruban community as a venue for fundraising activities. This Saturday, a concert with a great lineup of young, talented local performers will be on board the ship to generate funds for athletes on the island with special needs.
Mi vida no tiene sentido, bota e aire, comida a respirar. Simbo, mi vida no tiene sentido, bota e aire, comida a respirar.
That is just a taste of the talents we can expect for the concert being held on Saturday night.
The title of the name is Concierto in the Winds, Concert in the Winds. It's going to be a fundraising for some athletes, of Aruba special athletes. They are going to go to the Special Olympics in June, I think. It's going to be in June. And so we are doing a fundraising for them. Myself, I am a volunteer, I'm volunteering.
The performers say the concert aims to bring awareness as well to raise funds for athletes on the island taking part in the Special Olympics.
It's very important to give back. These athletes need our support. So I think it's a very positive opportunity to be part of.
So I think that it's nice for them, the special athletes, to have this great opportunity, because many times we see fundraising for different sports, youths, but for the special children, or you say youth, I find it really nice to help them also because they have also talents.
Ron says the cause needs the public's support.
The word is special, so they need a special attention, and I think by all means necessary, they need attention. They need our support, because if they don't have our support, who else gonna support them?
The concert will have local Papiamento songs as well as English cover songs that both locals and tourists alike will be familiar with.
And darling, I will be loving you till we're 70. And baby, my heart could fall in love as hard at 23. And I'm thinking about people fall in love in mysterious ways.
Tickets for the concert aboard the Free Wind ship are 50 florins. They can be purchased at participating digital stores.